Hey, what's up, y'all? At the end of the Cold War, during the 70s and the 80s, the Soviet Union built an early detection system to listen for incoming attacks. However, this device ended up being so powerful that it interfered with shortwave comms worldwide. If you were alive at the time and had any interest in radios like I did as a young man, this sound may be familiar. The woodpecker signal wasn't just obnoxious, it was really powerful. It had effects all over the world, disrupting airwaves with its incessant thump, 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 thump. It even affected systems in Moscow and their telephone systems because of the strength of this one signal, which was estimated to be at least 10 million watts. The arrays measured at least 210 meters wide by at least 85 meters tall. There were said in conspiracy circles to be three. One set up on the Russian Pacific coast near Sakhalinsk, and the other two in Ukraine by Chernobyl. And interestingly enough, none of the three arrays were officially acknowledged by the Soviet Union ever.